Hi, I'm Donatella Arpaia, and I wanted to congratulate you on the purchase of your Philips air fryer and welcome you to the Philips family. I'm sure like me, you can't wait to get started. So let me help you to get set up and ready to go. It will be so easy. First, remove all packaging materials, stickers, or labels, and be sure to thoroughly rinse all the parts, clean and dry prior to assembly. Now, open the drawer and remove the basket by lifting the handle, pressing this button. Now you're going to place the fat separator into the pan by putting it right under this little metal notch. Now insert the removable mesh bottom into the slot on the bottom right side of the basket. Push the mesh bottom down until it locks into position and you hear a little click on both sides. Then put the basket and the drawer back into the air fryer. So you're going to put this back in, and you're going to put it back into the air fryer, and you're ready to go. The air fryer can prepare a large range of ingredients. I hope this encourages you to cook seasonally fresh food. Consult the food table in the included booklet or the Philips Kitchen app for the right quantities and approximate cooking times. Press the power on/off button switch to turn on the appliance. To change the preset, turn the quick control dial to the desired setting. French fries, frozen snacks, drumsticks, fish, meat, and manual. To confirm the selected preset, push the quick control dial. Now cooking time will blink on the screen. To change the cooking time again, turn the quick control dial and push in to confirm. Once the cooking time is confirmed, the air fryer will turn on and the magic begins. Now, some food requires shaking, like French fries halfway through. To pause the cooking process, to give the basket a shake, just push the quick control dial, take out the basket, press and shake. Put it back in, and push the control dial to start again. When the time is up, the air fryer will ding, ding, to let you know. Give the food a check. If the ingredients are not ready yet, simply slide the drawer back into the air fryer and add a few extra minutes. You can also change the time or temperature at any time during the cooking process, which makes this machine so unique. Press the temperature or timer button to change the cooking temperature or time. All you have to do is turn the quick control dial. To confirm the cooking temperature or time, push the quick control dial or the temperature timer button again. Now remember that the fat removal technology means excess oil or rendered fat from the ingredients is collected at the bottom of the pan, below the fat separator. Depending on the type of ingredients you're cooking, you may want to carefully pour it out from the pan after each batch or before shaking or replacing the basket back into the pan. Doing this, removing the oil, will also help reduce smoke. Some of my favorite foods to cook are sweet potato fries, weeknight salmon, fish, pork. They're awesome, great weeknight meals. I also love to bake cakes, and obviously, I love to make my famous meatballs. And the best part of the machine is that when the cooking is done, all the removable parts are dishwasher safe. Now make sure to register your air fryer by texting a photo of this camera icon so you can receive an extended warranty, new recipes from me, and special discounts, including one for 40% off any accessory kit. My favorite is the baking kit. There's so many things I can do with it. I never register for items, but I'm telling you, Philips make it easy, and you're gonna be part of the Philips family, and I'm gonna guide you the whole way. So what are you gonna make with your Philips air fryer? Everyone comes up with new ideas all the time, especially since it's so versatile. Show us on social media by tagging Philips air fryer and following me at Donatella Arpaia. I can't wait to see what you have in store. Cook with seasonal, fresh ingredients. Get in the kitchen with your family and your friends and have a great time. And welcome to the Philips family.